Behind the back exchange move is a really difficult move to get. And Cape Naturals left me a comment basically saying, hey Tom, can you teach us the behind the back exchange? I saw Chris Cardone do it in a video and I can't figure out how to save my life. Any tips? Yes, I have. Stick around.
Tips, many tips.
So I've always thought I can teach anyone to flare, so this is my challenge. And you're gonna decide if I've got it. I'm gonna teach you how to do this move, then you're gonna let me know in the comments whether you've nailed it or not. So let's get started. Now there's many variations to the behind the back exchange, but I'm gonna be teaching you this one today. Now there's three main mistakes that people make when trying to do this move. Throwing the objects at the same time, that's not throwing the second object, or just simply being afraid to perform the move. There's three main parts of the behind the back exchange. There's the behind the back, there's the exchange, and there's the back to front. The behind the back is a simple throw up to catch behind the back. You're holding the bottle by the shoulder or the body. You're going to throw it up flat, that means without any spin, and your other hand will be by the lower part of your back, and you want to just move your shoulder forward gently and let that bottle land in your hand. The second part is the back to front. So we're going to grab hold of the shaker like so, and we're going to swing our arm from behind our back forwards, and then when it gets to the top of that swing, you're going to let go of the shaker, and then you're going to learn how to catch it in the other hand in the same way that you grabbed it. Now we're going to learn the exchange, and that's throwing objects from one hand to the other hand, but at different times. So we're going to throw the bottle, then the shaker. The bottle, then the shaker. Now we have to put the whole lot together.
Brian, I'm not sure I can do this.
Now we're going to throw the bottle and basically try and release that shaker upwards as you practiced. Let it land on the floor, throw it anywhere you can for now, just get that exchange nailed and then move on to the next step. The next step is doing the same move, but this time you're not going to catch the bottle, but you're going to release the shaker. So now you're putting the two items together in your brain. And the last step, of course, is putting the whole thing together. And that is the behind the back exchange move. Now, if you've seen the video on my second channel, the cocktail channel, where I was performing the behind the back in several different variations, you would have seen this one. This is a tricky one, and for those that are still here, I'm going to break that down for you. So we're going to put the ice in the large shaker, and you're going to throw that large shaker the same way that you did with the bottle. But instead of then exchanging the other shaker to your opposite hand, you're going to throw this shaker up and catch it in the same hand, so that when you catch it, it's going to land inside that big shaker. Yes. So there we have it. Did you land the move? Let me know in the comments. I need to know whether or not I've passed this challenge. Also, hit that subscribe button and smash the like for me. That helps push the video to more people. And because you stayed this long, I'm going to let you know about this awesome video. This is last week's video. And if you haven't seen it, go back, check it out, because it's two super cool, awesome moves in icing up your cocktail shakers. So, you're welcome. No, I'm only kidding. Thank you so much for watching. Until next week, I'll see you then.